Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Very good morning to all of my dear student. Today's topic is the properties and uses of electromagnetic waves. In previous video we have discussed on the properties and uses of gamma rays, X-rays and ultraviolet rays. Okay, today we will discuss on the infrared waves, infrared radiation. In the previous video, one point in ultraviolet ray is missed. That is, ultraviolet ray is chemically active, highly active. That is, this is UV rays. Okay. UV rays is chemically highly active. Okay, when UV rays is passed through AgCl solution, silver chloride solution. Okay, then this silver nitrate solution first changes into violet, then dark violet, and then it will become black. So this shows the high reactivity power of UV rays. Clear? Just add this one in previous point, which is discussed in the previous video. Please watch the previous video. Okay. Now, here AgCl is turned black. First violet, then dark violet, then black, because of the highly reactivity power, chemically active, highly active of UV rays. Clear? Now, infraradiation. The wavelength of the infraradiation or infrared radiation is 8000 angstrom to 10 to the power 7 angstrom. Okay, it is also known as heating wave. It is detected by thermopile. It is detected by thermopile. Question will ask that how infrared detected? It is detected by thermopile. In thermometer, it produces a strong heating effect. In thermometer, sudden rise in temperature. If you see, if a ray pass through, or if there is a ray and in thermometer, thermometer shows sudden rise in temperature, then we understand that ray is a infrared. Okay, in thermometer the temperature rises rapidly. Okay, so this is the detection of the infrarays detected by thermopile, or with the thermometer shows sudden rise in temperature. Okay, now they produce a strong heating effect. Okay, so these are the detections. These are the properties of infrared. They can pass through a rocket salt but do not pass through a glass because they are absorbed by the glass. Same as the ultraviolet ray, because this infrared, if infrared pass through glass prism, this is a glass prism. If it is passed, then if this prism is made up from glass, then all rays are absorbed by glass. But this infrared pass through a rock salt. Rock salt means NaCl salt. Okay, rock salt. Why we use rock salt for passing infrarays? Because in glass prism all infrared absorbed. Okay, that's why we use rock salt. Here, look at this. They can pass through rock salt but do not pass through the glass. Why do not pass through the glass? Because they are absorbed by the glass prism. Clear? Ultraviolet ray pass through quartz prism. UV rays pass through quartz prism. Okay, that we discuss. Why quartz prism? Same thing. If ultraviolet rays pass through glass, then the UV rays is absorbed by the glass. We do not get any ultraviolet rays. So that's why we use quartz prism. For UV rays, we use which prism? Rock salt prism. And ultraviolet rays, quartz prism. Mind it. Just remember. Very important point. Many questions asked from this. Many times. Now, they are used here. These are the some properties of infrared radiation. Now, there uses some very important uses. They are used in a photography at night and also in mist and fog because they are not much scattered. They are used in photography at night. At night, photography at night, infrared use, or if there is a fog or mist in environment, then we use infrared radiation. Why? Because infrared radiation do not scatter. If this is infrared, okay, and there is a fog, then it will pass through fog. It will do not scatter, less scattered. Okay, and we get the picture clear. Okay, mind it. Why infrared is used for photographic at night or in mist or in fog? Because the infrared are not much scattered and travel long distance. Clear? Due to this is the most important properties of the infrared. Due to this property, they are used in remote control of television and other gadget. Okay, they are used as a signal during war as they are not visible and they are not absorbed much in the medium, in any other medium. Okay, so these are the uses. Used in photographic at night and also used in photographic at night in mist and fog because they are not much scattered. They travel long distance. They are also used in remote control of television and other gadget. Okay, in remote control of television and other gadget, infrared coming out from that remote control. Okay, and they are also used as a signal during war. Question will ask that why infrared is used as a signal during war. Same reason, they are not much scattered. They can travel long distance. They are not visible, okay, and do not absorb much in a medium. Okay, so these are the some properties and uses of infrared radiation. Now microwaves, the wavelength of the microwaves is from 10 to the power 7 angstrom to 10 to the power 11. Look at this, 8,000 to 10 to the power 7. Here, starting from 10 to the power 7 and 10 to the power 11, between this. Okay, now they are used for the cooking in microwave oven. Generally, we use for this one microwaves. They are used for the cooking in microwaves because it produces heat. But this infrared produce more heat than microwaves. Okay, mind it. They are used for satellite communication, for analyzing of atomic and molecular structure. Okay, these are the two uses of microwaves. So, but number one use is very important, widely used in our daily life. Clear? So which ray, question will ask that which ray is used for cooking purpose? Microwaves. Which ray is used for use as a signal during war? Infrarays. Which rays are used in photographic at night? Infrared. Now look at this, radio waves. Here here the wavelength of radio wave is 10 to the power 11 angstrom or above 10 to the power 11 angstrom. Okay, in nanometer just 10 to the power 10 divided by 10. Okay, this one, remember this one there. The wavelength of the each and every electromagnetic wave must be remembered, because the two or three questions will ask from the wavelength of the rays. Clear? Now here they are mainly used in a radar communication. Radio waves are used in a radar communication and also in a radio and television transmission. Okay, radio waves are used in a radar communication and also in radio and television transmissions. So microwaves used in a cooking purpose, that is the most important use, and for radar communication and radio and television transmission, which rays is used? Radio waves. Okay, hope you have understood. So these are the some properties and uses of infrared, microwaves and radio waves. Clear?